We're here to unbox the OnePlus 8T smartphone. They always make great phones. We're actually filming this, shooting this on a OnePlus phone. So they always send us a new box. Gotta have coffee to open the box and something sharp. It's in life, and here we go. We'll see what they've included in the package. They also usually have some great headphones they include with their phones. So looking forward to that because I like to play music a lot. I'm JQ, by the way. This is the box. Oh, got it upside down. Ultra stops at nothing. Ultra stops at nothing. They also have never settle as another one of their phrases, and I gotta get it out of the box. Okay, we're gonna flip it over. Then I roll it. We're rolling it. There's one. The A Plus Media Kit. So that's what we got here. All right, let's go. Let's go. Ah. Undressed, unmasked. It's a little complicated. Cool. Hello. Who else uses that? I can't think of someone else uses that phrase from something. And here it is. I told you it was slick. There's a whole kit explaining everything about it. Reviewer's guide for people like me to check it out. And I can do all this because they've revealed it now. There's the OnePlus. Some cases. And some different cases they've also opened. More plastic, more sharp knives. So, I have to... Oh, you don't need it. That's brilliant. Usually you have to do something else. They didn't do this. Like I said, I love their phones. They have a really sharp OLED phone. There's another manufacturer that's finally come out with an OLED phone. They do 120 hertz OLED phones. Apple, 60 hertz. So that means this is a sharper screen on these phones. It's also about $300 less than an iPhone of the same size. Here we go. Warp charge. They have fast charging, so they call it warp chargers. Red cables. Ooh, shiny. Voila. And it has the soft edges on it. Curved, great color. And all the cameras on it as well. We are going to check it out. Is it charged? Let's see. Maybe not. Maybe it has to be charged. It's been sitting in the box for a while. Oh. Powered by Android. Cables included. Everything's on a C now charge. And we have unwrapped it. We're going to check this out and let you know how it goes in the next couple of weeks. But so far, I like it very much. Again, it's got about 256 gigabytes of memory in it. $799. It's the OnePlus on Android, latest version of Android software. And looking forward to tracking it out. I'm going to start it now. Is that right?